Okay, sir. Very good morning to all of you and happy Mahashivratri to all of you. Today is a very special day for me. I have written a small book dedicated to the young clinicians because what I felt was that there is no book that is directly related, that is directly targeting the clinicians, the challenges they are facing in day-to-day lives. A bit of inspiration was given for this to me by Niket Mehrotra sir when he said कि यार ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है जो young clinicians को कुछ बता सके. And then of course I'm very lucky to have my mentors Raghu Narayan sir and Rajiv Verma sir over here for book launch as special guests, and my very good friends Dr. Niket Mehrotra, Dr. Rahul Sharma and Dr. Samir Anand over here. Dr. Niket Mehrotra also happens to be a co-author, and here comes another co-author. We were waiting for him, but he was not joining. He's just joining right now, Dr. Dinesh Inderia. Anyhow, he just joined? Yes, he has joined. So Dinesh, maybe have your video also, please.
Yes, sir.
We are live on Facebook. So welcome, Dinesh. He is a co-author. He has got a. He's a youngster, sir. He's a youngster. I think Rajiv Verma sir knows him, Dinesh Inderia. He's a youngster, but very active youngster. And my other co-author, Dr. Niket Mehrotra, he happens to be my mentor also in management part. And I really thank God, Bholenath, that I am able to write this book, and I'm very lucky to launch this book on the eve of on the day of Mahashivratri. So I would request Rajiv Verma sir, Raghu sir, our special guests, and my co-authors Dr. Dinesh and Dr. Niket, and my friends Dr. Samir and Dr. Rahul to please get their book copies. If I may call my wife and my son also, just to.
Yes, please.
So here is the book.
Hi, Richa.
Yeah.
Rajiv sir, Raghu sir, please do the honors, sir.
1, 3, 2, 1, go.
Yay.
Niket sir, Samir sir, everyone please. Here's the book.
And that's the author.
Yes, sir, that's me.
He's here.
So,
All the best.
thank you.
All the best, Himanjay.
Thank you, sir. Sir, this is a. I have done a lot of. I don't know. I'm no author, so I don't know how well I have written this book. It was my first experience, but I have tried to my experience onto it. Rajiv Verma sir, if you please can speak 2 words on the book, please.
2 words on the book for 6 authors. Huh?
So 3 authors only.
Anyway, what to speak? Anyone who writes a book, I am so happy for him.
Thank you.
I am so happy for him. Okay. In this lockdown, I have suggested Vishal Gupta. I have suggested Dr. Udatta did it last year itself.
Yes,
I
sir.
have suggested 3 more doctors, that it's time, use this time to write a book. And I am happy Dr. Moez Kakeri did it. Himanjay Saxena and Richa right in front of us with Aniket and Dinesh have done it. And utilize this lockdown time beautifully, because whatever you write, how simple you write, correct?
Yes.
This is the need of the hour. And I wish there was something so simplified in my life. And what clicks here is, when I wrote my first small book for Indian Dental Association in 2002, that was also from the word same, simple techniques of tooth preparation, simplified version, absolutely. So congratulations, Himanjay, congratulations, Richa, Dinesh, Aniket, and of course, all the 5 stories which I think you have in the
Yes,
book,
sir.
from Dr. Aslam to Dr. Samir to
Rahul.
I have to still go through the book, by the way. I did not cheat. I did not open it and read before, but I
Okay.
got the concept concept very well, you know. So thank you for inviting me for this on this beautiful day, on this auspicious day, for a lovely, lovely book. And I hope by next year we will have part 2 for it,
Sure, sir.
followed by part 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for the
Keep it
blessing.
up.
Sir, may I now request my mentor, Dr. Raghu Narayan, sir, to please speak few words.
Yes, congratulations, Himanjay.
Thank you,
I
sir.
know your passion towards dentistry, and good afternoon to one and all. The immense joy today, what I'm experiencing is purely, first is to personally see Dr. Rajiv. I've heard so much about him, and today I could be on the same platform. Hello, sir. The second thing is the pioneer effort. And this is what has been again reckoned by Dr. Rajiv and Dr. Niket. Many times we have discussed about that. The biggest, as an academician or as a practitioner, the big loophole, what I feel is the Indian authors coming forward and writing their experience and trying to solve the things. Every time we go back to see the foreign authors and their experiences, which is very, very specific to their societies and their kind of a practice. But ours is different. We all, deep in heart, we know very well. I'm so happy to hear that, Dr. Rajiv Verma is encouraging his subordinates and other people to write their experience. That is what is the need of an art. We need that. Especially we need in our local languages, Hindi, English, all the local languages come forward. And they should, why can't we have an endo book in Kannada, in Tamil, in Gujarati? Why can't we have an aesthetic book? I wish, Dr. Rajiv Verma can take an initiation and be the major mentor and encourage all these local do that in their language, specific to their language. Why can't we have an Italian can have a conference in Italian language? Why can't we have a Hindi things, our local languages, which beat their country population with our single state thing, and we still are not doing that thing. From that context, I feel this is a great effort by Himanjay, who has got a tremendous passion. I can feel that one every time I interact with him, and he's put a lot of effort. And the greatest thing, what I personally loved about this book is the bringing the 5 different practitioners from the 5 different backgrounds and giving an insight about what is this profession is all about. Mentoring few students, and I could really feel that one. We are not being encouraged about the dentistry. Everybody crips, and we have becoming a masters over the period of time, again and again, saying that there's no hope. But I keep asking them one thing: when was the last time you saw a person had a Mercedes and opened a clinic, and after a few years he bought a Maruti? That never happened, and all are doing money, all are making money, and but nobody wants to share that one. I once again wish Himanjay and Dr. Richa all the best. It's a greatest effort you people have put in. And as Dr. Rajiv mentioned, that I hope this comes in many series, and I hope this encourages many other people to come forward and write the very similar narrative textbooks. Enough we had about a scientific and mathematical reason-based book. And we want the narration, we want the people to come forward, especially in the time of social media where every Tom, Dick and Harry is trying to give opinion without owning the responsibility. And here is a person who books everything, puts in a black and white on the book and saying that, see, I own this information and I vouch for it. That is what is needed for Indian practice. Once again, all the best to you, Himanjay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Authors, Dr. Niket, Dr. Samir, Dr. Dinesh, I know you people. You have done a great contribution to this. Dinesh, I did cheat, by the way. I opened the book and I had to repack it. I was curious about the interactive, the communication skills. And Dr. Niket, you are the best. I know.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. We are also joined by Dr. Aslam Inamdar, who has used to be there in this book. Aslam bhai, you are a bit late, but please.
I'm so sorry.
I'll just introduce my co-authors, then I'll come to you.
Sure.
So now, after our special guest, let me introduce to my co-authors. First one is Dr. Niket Mehrotra, who is not a co-author. He is like an elder brother to me. And and anytime I have some problem, any issues, the first person to call, the first 2% that I will call, both are here, Samir Anand sir and Niket Mehrotra sir. Ki sir, ये समस्या हो गई है, क्या करूं? So please, Niket sir, 2 words.
Congratulations, Himanji. अच्छा, and especially Ridan. ये book लिखने दी, ठीक है ना? If Ridan was not permitted you कि मैं book लिखने दूंगा तो ये book तो सबसे पहले तो Ridan को, ठीक? Thank you actually that you have given us a chance to write a few chapters in this book. Actually, you know that I was writing a book and Bobby P है in process. But I say that it is a big effort कि you have written this book in such a short span of time. As Rajiv Verma said that use that Corona time for writing a book, and you did that. So this is a major achievement, and I have also cheated like Raghu sir, and I've read this book twice so far now, and fantastic it is. Fantastic it is. There are few things which are very common, and they are really very common mistakes also. And we are in practice from last 20 to 21 years, and I'm seeing that these all mistakes happen to me at any stage of my life. It took us 4 years, 5 years, 7 years, or we have to do all those mistakes to learn. अब सबसे अच्छी बात यह है कि शायद ये बुक पढ़ के लोगों को वो मिस्टेक करने की जरूरत ही ना लगे. So this is fantastic effort. So जैसा राजीव सर ने कहा कि second edition, third edition, in spite of anything, please go and start preparing for your second edition or third edition, because definitely this will help for the future of the industry. Okay. Alone, maybe with few more authors, few more things. So जितना ज़्यादा लोग होंगे शायद ये और बड़ा और अच्छा, और it should reach to every level of the industry. Yes. So and especially for Dinesh means fantastic means I loved every line written by you. So I'm also looking forward for that, which you have mentioned in the chapter, and definitely I'll be the first one to buy. Right? And again, thank you, Raghu sir, thank you, Rajiv Verma sir, and everyone. Yes, this was an opportunity for us, and I think we have done that much of thing what we can actually contribute, and we also wish कि ऐसी चीजें और आती रहे. So thank you, Himanji.
Thank you, sir. So now my second co-author is a youngster, Dinesh Inderia, but I know Dinesh for last, I guess, 10 years, Dinesh, 10 or 12 years, when he was student, and he's very enthusiastic. When he was in first year only, then from that time he has started coming to clinics, let me learn. And last year for the first time I met him professionally as a part of his team. He called me up at Ujjain for a lecture, and there I learned a lot of, though he's very young from me, but I learned a lot that how beautifully he communicates with the patients and all the systems that he is having in his clinic. So then I came to know that he's writing a book on communication. Then it was that time that I said, okay, Dinesh, now you have to write a chapter of communication for my book. So Dinesh, please.
I am very much glad, sir, that you have given me a space in your book. Thank you, Himanji sir. Thank you, Niket sir. आज मैं उज्जैन में हूँ. आज महाशिवरात्रि का बहुत पावन पर्व है, और सबसे पहले मैं आप सबको श्री महाकाल भगवान के दर्शन करवाना चाहता हूँ. जय श्री महाकाल.
जय श्री महाकाल.
May God bless all of us and book also.
सैनिटाइजर दिख रहा है तेरा?
हाँ जी सर, बिल्कुल. Right. So thank you, राजीव वर्मा सर. आपका मॉन्स्टर डेंटिस्ट, मैं आपको भोपाल में मिला था. भोपाल आपने मुझे नाम दिया था मॉन्स्टर डेंटिस्ट. 62 इंच. थैंक यू रघु सर. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you, Dinesh. और ये जो this book was this book wouldn't have been completed without 5 of those people whom I contacted to share their stories, because it was a book dedicated to clinicians. We have different, each one of has a different background, and each one of has a different challenge to face, whether you are practicing in Chandigarh, Mumbai or Bhopal or small places like Abdullah Ganj. So 3 of those fellows who shared their stories are here with us. Dr. Aslam Inamdar, he is one of the stars in cosmetic dentistry in India. He doesn't need any introduction. So Aslam bhai, please, few words.
Yeah, so congratulations, Himanje, on this wonderful achievement. I have known you for almost 5 years. We met at the course of Mastership of Implantology at Base Academy, and since then we shared the room, we shared our life stories, and before that also I think I had met Richa during the DSD course at Dr. Rajiv Verma sir, and that's how I came to know about you, and then personally we met over there. So I came to know you as a very, very, very genuine person, a genuine dentist who feels for the patients and who writes or thinks ethically in all the way. And you are the best person to come up with this idea to guide the youngsters and young minds in this country that what mistakes we have gone through or what everyone goes through and what they shouldn't be doing. So, I mean, congratulations on this feat. As they say, don't do the mistakes what others did for your better success. And something like this coming in dentistry from a person who is, I mean, you are destined to write this book and your contributors also. I'm sure you guys have done a fantastic job on this. I'm yet to go through this, but I'm sure it will give a lot of inputs to the young minds. And I'm glad that you asked me to be a little bit contributor or part of my story over here. If people get motivated to, take up the challenges in daily dentistry and make their own stories in their lives. So I'm really glad and happy for being a part of this team. So thank you very much for making this.
Thank you, Dr. Aslam. Other person, my very good friend, my elder brother, Dr. Sameer Anand. We have worked together so many times, and I guess the last place I visited as a professional work before the COVID was Chandigarh, and Chandigarh has been second home since ages because my education has been from Himachal. So, Sameer sir, few words on the book, please.
It's a beautiful narrative, as Raghu sir mentioned, and you really utilized this time. I remember the time when we spoke about you conceptualizing this idea, and I told Himanje that, for a dentist turned author, there are two certainties. One, you're going to get lots of rejection letters, and two, tax letters are going to find their way. But in between that lies the and he's left no stone unturned to realize this dream. And I definitely believe, as everybody has said, it's a magical book, and books actually are kind of a portable magic. So let's hope this magic reaches every soul, coming from three beautiful souls to the rest of us. Thank you. All the best, Himanje.
Thank you, sir. And now, last but not the least, Dr. Rahul Sharma. Dr. Rahul Sharma was one of my, my education is from Himachal Pradesh. When I came back to my birthplace, Bhopal, Dr. Rahul was one of my first friends, and still he's an excellent friend. And he has got a very inspiring stories from being, he faces a different challenges day to day. For once, he goes to a very small place called Abdullahganj, and then he comes back to Bhopal and practice. I don't know how he works. He works at least 14 to 15 hours per day. I don't know how he works for this long. Right from morning, early morning 7 o'clock till late night 10:30, he's doing patients. Bhopal, Abdullahganj, Bhopal. I don't know how he manages all those things. So please, Dr. Rahul, few words.
Thank you, Himanje. I am very happy that someone could think of practitioners and create a book especially for them. I wish I could have got this book in my early career as a clinician. I feel very proud to be a part of this book, and I hope people find some connect and try to upgrade and improve themselves. ये वाकई बहुत बड़ी बात है कि इस टाइम पर मैं तुमने जब पूरा मेरे ख्याल से पूरा वर्ल्ड जो है बहुत डिसअपॉइंटेड टाइम से गुजर रहा है, मोटिवेशन के लिए कितनी अच्छी बुक तुमने लिखी है इस टाइम पर। इसमें जितने भी यंग लोग अगर इसको पढ़ते हैं तो अपने करियर में कहीं ना कहीं वो इस चीज़ को लेके काफ़ी मोटिवेट होंगे कि हाँ, डेंटिस्ट्री में बहुत कुछ है। और अभी राजीव वर्मा सर से मैं भी कहना चाहूँगा कि सर मेरी आपसे शायद 7 या 8 बार मुलाकात हो चुकी है, और राजीव वर्मा सर जब भी मिलते हैं तो वो हमेशा कैरियर को लेके कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा गाइडेंस देकर जाते हैं। लास्ट टाइम सर जब आप भोपाल आए थे तो हमारी बात हो रही थी, जब मैं आपको एयरपोर्ट छोड़ने जा रहा था, तब मेरी आपसे बात हुई थी और आपने मुझे वो जो एक वारंटी वाला जो एक वो पॉइंट दिया था अपने पेशेंट्स को देने वाला, सर वो इतना यूजफुल हुआ है मेरी प्रैक्टिस में। थैंक्स टू यू सर, आई एम रियली थैंकफुल टू यू सर। एंड थैंक्स हिमांजे, इट्स रियली मतलब बहुत अच्छी बुक होने वाली है। मैं खैर ज्यादा इंग्लिश तो नहीं बोल पाऊंगा, पर हाँ फिर
ठीक
भी
है।
ये बहुत अच्छी बुक होने वाली है। और शायद बस अब इसके बाद मैं कंटिन्यू इसको पढ़ने ही वाला हूँ। जैसे ही पेशेंट से फ्री होऊंगा फिर कंटिन्यू पढ़ना ही है। आज इसको आज पढ़ के पूरा खत्म करना है। मैं निकेत सर की तरह अभी तक इसको पढ़ तो नहीं पाया हूँ, पर अब जरूर रिबन खोलने के बाद पढ़ना चालू करूंगा।
Thank you, sirs, and special thanks to Rajiv sir and Raghu sir, who both are mentors and special guests today. Also, special thanks to Niket Mehrotra sir and Dinesh, because without their contributions, this was not possible. And thanks to Dr. Aslam, Dr. Sami, Dr. Rahul, Dr. Akshay Kumar Swami, who unfortunately was not able to be live today, and Sanjay Maheshwari, who also was not able to live today. Plus, I would also like to thank, because there are no words I can thank my parents, especially my mother. Whatever I am today, it is because of them, especially my mother. So, why I cannot say thanks to them, because there are no words I can even thank. I can ever thank them. So, special thanks to special. What I can say, please shower your blessings on me, to my parents. I cannot thank you. And this also goes to Mahadev and Devi ji. I've been a very big bhakt of Mahadev and Devi ji, because being in Himachal, you have to be bhakt of Mahadev. There is no second thought for that. So now, and Bhopal, Ujjain is nearby, again Mahadev. So still I cannot thank God also. Only thing I can wish for is blessings of Mahadev, Devi ji, my parents, my mentors, Raghu sir, Rajiv sir, all my mentors, Udat sir, Ali sir, unfortunately, whom I could not connect for this book, and Niket sir, Dinesh, Sameer sir, Rahul, Aslam bhai, and also thanks to Akshay and Sanjay for helping me reach out to the masses. Because the reason I wrote books, sir, was because I am doing a webinar on this topic for some time now. What I thought, that to reach majority of people you need a book, because you can reach only 10 to 15 or say 20 people in a webinar or in a seminar. So that is why I thought that to reach masses, I hope this reaches masses. And I don't know, but also thanks to Bazooka, yes, the publisher, the printing quality and the printing pages, I never expected such a beautiful book from them, and they also supported me a lot. Worked at late nights. They also, because I said, anyhow, I have to release this book at 11th of March, Shivratri. So thanks to Bazooka also. And thanks for you all to give the time. And we may take a leave, sir. And I hope you all read the book and like the book, and please share your experiences with the book. Yes, sir, Rajiv, sir.
I have already gone through the book just now, and I am relating myself to the first chapter itself, perforation of tooth during root canal treatment. So for everybody's knowledge, I was once upon a time called as the king of perforation. Okay, I could while working on the first molar, I'm talking 30 to 33 years ago. While working on the first molar, one day I had entered the neighboring second molar through the first molar. So you can call me the king of perforation. Then I just turned to chapter number 2, and this is even fascinating. The chapter number 2 is missed canal. Trust me, in the first 10 years of practice out of my 35 years, I never knew there is an MB2. And even if it was there, when I came to know, I couldn't find it for the next 5 years. So I think this chapter is going to help me also in life. Of course, I have retired now, but if I was practicing, then again a dilemma. I love this: open dressing or closed dressing. है ना? अंदर से मलबा बाहर निकल रहा है तो खुला रखो, मलबा नहीं निकल रहा है तो बंद रखो. This was the logic told. And this one is, again, I loved instrument separation. And one more. I think I'll stop at this one. This was, where is that chapter? I really connected with the title itself. That chapter is the next one, pain after obturation. I recently underwent a root canal treatment. Recently means a year ago, just before COVID. And this was the discussion with 3-4 dentist friends of mine. यार ये हमेशा root canal होने के बाद में pain क्यों होता है? You know? And imagine after 35 years also I have the question in my mind. So I guess this is going to solve lots of dilemmas, lots of answers in this book. Everybody definitely should go for it. And I am waiting for part 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. After writing the book, what I realized was I have undertaken endo, a bit of crown and bridge and composites. The thing I missed was perio. So, maybe hopefully Samir sir will help me in this for next part.
Definitely. But you know my speed.
Yeah, sure.
Sahi.
Okay. So thank you, sir. Thanks for you all, Raghu sir, Rajiv sir, to give your time, valuable time. I know Aslam Bhai, Samir sir, Nikesh sir, Dinesh, you all are busy practitioner. Rahul to ultra busy practitioner, right from morning 7 to 10:30 at night. So please, thanks to all of you, and please keep showering your blessings on me. Thanks, sir.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you.
Take care.